Multi-system youth was a big part of the work that we did in the state budget in 2019. Community Solutions is in a unique position to be a convener and help people coalesce around issues that are important to Health and Human Services in Ohio. There has been a lot of discussion and policy change that has kind of very slowly moved the needle for these kids. And for the first time, we have an action plan in the state of Ohio to address the needs more comprehensively. We were able to pull together families who have been directly impacted by this, parents who had or were looking at the potential of relinquishing custody of their children to the child welfare system, entirely voluntarily. It wasn't due to any neglect or abuse. It was because this was the only way to access services for their kids. So totally heartbreaking, shouldn't have ever happened, shouldn't be a policy that exists. And so we were really working hard to share those stories with policymakers, and we're ultimately able to secure some dollars in the state budget that could help to fill those gaps in sort of an interim period. Connecting with the families and people directly impacted is ultimately why I do this and why most people do this who do this type of work, because we know that policy discussions do have a real impact in people's lives.